Hi everyone, I'm Frist with McIntyre, and today I'm going to be flying the Flying Saucer aircraft. Now, to give you an idea of the scale of the aircraft, I can fit it in the palm of my hand, which I find quite cool. You get about 10-minute flight, you charge it through a USB port. The white propellers represent the front of the aircraft and the black propellers represent the back. Now today I'm just going to be flying forward, back, side to side. This is about my fourth flight in, so I'm just managing to get control. There is a trimming system on the controls which can be a bit tricky to get your head around at first, but once you start learning it can get manageable. So we'll go ahead and go to that flight now. Just another thing about the flight space is I'm flying in a radius between 1.5 foot wide, maybe a foot to 4 to 5 foot forwards beside my bed. So if anything happens, remember the space I'm flying in, so I'm quite nervous. If you want to leave any comments about the aircraft or about my flight, please do so and I will get back to you.